Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're gonna learn how to transfer funds to a non-Fith Third account. Open the website, then log in with your user ID and password. Once you're logged in, you will see several tabs at the left side menu. Click on the tab that says Transfer and Pay. On the Transfer and Pay section, you will see an option for Transfer Funds. Click on Transfer Funds. Now, select the Transfer From account. Click on your Fith Third Momentum checking account. Then select the Transfer to account. Click on the non-Fith Third account. But if you haven't added a non-Fith Third account, click on the Add Non-Fith Third Account button, then follow the on-screen instructions on how to add a non-Fith Third account. After that, enter further transfer details. On the first field, enter the amount you wish to transfer. Then select the frequency. By clicking the drop-down arrow on the frequency field, then choose from the options on the drop-down list. You could also add a memo on the last field. But it is just optional. Then click on Review. Now, review the transfer details. After reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Confirm. That's how you transfer funds to a non-Fith Third account. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles.